In America, women's health care and reproductive freedom are at a critical crossroads. As extremists seek to roll back decades of progress, a new threat looms large: Project 2025. This agenda, if enacted, could impose unprecedented restrictions on healthcare professionals, leaving women at risk and without essential care.
Project 2025 isn't just a policy document, it's a roadmap for dismantling women's rights. Under this plan, federal agencies would be directed to enforce strict anti-abortion laws nationwide, overriding state protections and criminalizing essential medical care.
Healthcare professionals would be restricted, even criminalized, for providing necessary reproductive services. This could mean the closure of clinics, the denial of care, and a rollback of critical healthcare protections for millions of women.
These restrictions would place healthcare providers in an impossible position, forced to choose between upholding the Hippocratic Oath and following laws that put their patients in danger. The result? Women across the country could be denied life-saving care simply because their doctors fear prosecution.
Imagine this: a woman 18 weeks pregnant suddenly experiences severe complications. Her life is in danger, but when she rushes to the emergency room, she's turned away. The doctors and nurses, once her protectors, are now too afraid to help. They fear prosecution under new anti-abortion laws backed by Project 2025. Her only option? To sit in the parking lot, alone and in pain, waiting for a miracle or a tragedy.
This isn't just a story, it's already happening. Across America, women in desperate need of care are being denied treatment because their doctors fear the legal repercussions.
Now, consider the story of another woman, a young girl just 16 years old. She's been assaulted by someone she trusted, a crime of violence and betrayal. She's alone, scared, and now she faces the unimaginable. She's pregnant.
In a world shaped by Project 2025, this young girl has nowhere to turn. Clinics that once provided safe, compassionate care are shuttered, their doors closed by a government more concerned with ideology than humanity. Even in states that have fought to protect reproductive rights, federal enforcement of these draconian laws could override local protections, leaving vulnerable young women like her with no safe options.
For her and countless others, Project 2025 would make the aftermath of trauma even more devastating, trapping them in a nightmare with no way out.
Project 2025 aims to make this the new normal. It would empower states to impose harsh restrictions, leading to a nationwide chilling effect on all aspects of women's healthcare, from contraception to fertility treatments, and from miscarriage management to life-saving procedures during pregnancy.
Doctors and healthcare providers would face a terrifying choice: comply with the law or do what's right for their patients. Many will choose to leave the profession, and many more will be forced to refuse care that could save lives.
The chilling effect of these laws will spread beyond abortion care, affecting everything from prenatal care to cancer treatments. Women will be denied the health care they need, not just because of what's in their medical records, but because of what's in the law books.
But it doesn't have to be this way. We have the power to stop Project 2025 and its devastating impact on women's health care. We must stand together and fight for our rights before it's too late.
Call your representatives. Join local and national organizations that are fighting for reproductive freedom. Share this video to spread the word. Together, we can protect women's health care and stop the Project 2025 agenda.